Hey guys, today's math lesson 106, is about finding the average of something. So I use this when I'm finding your grades, like for your report cards. I average all of your grades together, and you might have made like some A's, some B's, and a couple C's. And you might have heard us say, well, the C's might pull your grades down, but the A's will pull them up. And that's because they average together. And so if you have more A's than B's, you're going to get an A. But if you have more B's than A's, you're probably going to get a B. So I'll show you that in just a minute. But let's go over what the book covers first, and then I'll give you an example of that. So here they are using pancakes. So here we show 3 stacks of pancakes, a stack of 8, a stack of 3, and a stack of 4. So if you add those together, 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 4 is 15. There are 15 pancakes in all. Well, if we arrange the pancakes to have an equal number in each stack, we get 5 in each stack. So we would say the average number of pancakes in each stack is 5. So finding an average is a 2-step equal groups problem. First, we find how many there are altogether. Then we find how many there would be in each group if the groups were equal. So here is an example. 4 vans carried the team to the soccer field. There were 5 players in the first van, 4 players in the second van, and 3 players in the third van, and 8 players in the fourth van. What was the average number of players in each van? Well, the average number in each van is the number there would be if they spread out and had the same number in each van. So imagine starting over and reloading the vans equally. You would add up all of your players first. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 3 is 12, plus 8 is 20. So there are a total of 20 players. Well, we know that there are 4 vans, sorry. We know that there are 4 vans. And so since there are 4 vans, we divide the 20 players into 4 equal groups, which would be like 20 divided by 4. And that would equal 5 players in each. So if the vans were loaded equally, there would be 5 players in each van. So even though the vans weren't equal, we would still say the average number in each van was 25 players. And there's one practice problem. In 3 classrooms, there were 24, 26, and 28 children respectively. And respectively just means in order. 24, 26, and 28. Let's go back to the question. It says, what was the average number of children in each classroom? So if this were represented, these are 3 of the classrooms, we would add them together. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Put your 8, carry 1. 2, 4, 6, 7. So there's a total of 78 students. Then you would divide 78 by the number of classrooms. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 classrooms. And so if we were to spread these students out equally and have equal numbers in each classroom, we would divide 78 divided by 3. Well, 3 fits into 7 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we subtract. 1 is less than 3. It's our check step. Now we bring down. 3 fits into 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, and we get 0. 0 is clearly smaller than 3, nothing left to bring down. No remainder, so our answer is 26. So that is the average number of students in each class. So I'll show you one more just because this is a very practical way that you might see averages used. Let's say I want to average your grades and you have 3 grades. You have a 90, an 80, and a 70. Okay, so I would add those 3 grades together. Then 9 plus 8 is 17.